Okay, hello everyone. This is for first hour. We did not get through the last two. I just wanted to have something that um, shows the last two and what my concerns were. So yeah, definitely a tougher one again. Last two here, trying to get my pen to work, so that's why I'm blabbering right now. All right, here we go. So subtracting, this would have been number 17. First thing you got to do is get a common denominator. So that's x minus 1. And then this is, fortunately, x minus 1, x minus 3. So this one is missing a 2. This is getting a common denominator. This is grade school stuff. Before I continue, though, this has to be taken care of. So you must distribute that minus sign into that binomial. You could have put the 2 out in front and distributed a negative 2. You need to understand that, okay? And then this is x minus 3. Oh, no. I got to FOIL the numerator. Okay, so this has got to be FOILed, but you leave the common denominator factored. So 2 times x minus 3 times x minus 1. That's what you do when you add fractions. You add the numerators and carry the common denominator. Now I'm going to start FOILing here. So this is x squared. 4x and negative 3x is 1x. I'm in the library, so I should whisper. And then minus 12 plus 8x minus 6. Okay, and then next, let's see, well, we see their final answer there, so let's see if this actually happens. I don't know what's going on there. X squared, 9x, I'm adding like terms up at the top, minus 18, and then over that LCD. Apparently, the top does not factor, so I don't have anything that multiplies a negative 18 and adds to 9. If it was positive 18, 3 and 6, but it's not, so it is this one, okay? Last but not least, when I say inverse, you say switch x and y, but you know what? We're gonna approach this in a method of, when I say inverse, you say switch x and y, because the domain and range is the following of the original. Asymptote rules, right? And it is a standard rational function. So I just need to search for something that has a domain of x not equal to 1. And if I only have one of those, oh no, I have 1, 2, 3 of those. Bummer. Let's see if the range works out. The range of the new is the domain of the original. So y cannot equal negative 2. Nice. You're gone. Nice. This has got to be the answer. Okay? So that's one way you can do this when you're dealing with a multiple choice. If you just understand, when I say inverse, you say switch x and y or domain and range exchange. The answer must match that. Okay, fine. I'll do the long math. When I say inverse, you say switch x and y. Y minus 6, y plus 2. Cross multiply. Distributes. And then also subtract. Subtract this y. This is 2x. Subtract the 2x. You got to be able to handle that. Then the last thing is pull out a y and then divide by that x minus 1. And you still get negative 2x minus 6 over x minus 1. So it's all good. Okay,